Forget all the cycles I told you about. There is one cycle, very important. It's called the wave spell. There is the dream spell and there is the wave spell. The wave spell, if the 20 seals are imprinting of the sun to earth, if they are the gods here ruling earth, 20 god, the wave spell is the god of these 20 gods. Is the one who's controlling everything. We are all under this movement. We are all moving in cycle called 13 tune cycle. It's tunes. It's a resonation coming from source, from God, resonating all over the universe every day with certain quality. Meaning, if we are in the magnetic tune, which is day number 1, the whole universe is calling magnetic. The whole universe, there is frequency in the air. Not from the sun above sun, from the God of the sun, is saying magnetic. So everything under this is influenced by magnetic. The seal is bowing to magnetic. If it's today, everything is influenced by magnetic. Everything need to listen to magnetic day. If tomorrow is lunar, everything is lunar. And we are moving. Today is crystal. So it's a tone of crystal all over. Whatever your seal, doesn't matter. You're warrior, I'm skywalker, wind. We are all under crystal today. And this movement has a story and a purpose. It's called the 13-step wave spell path of human sovereignty. يعني السيادة, like this is the story of creation. Creation, when it wants to think about story, said, okay, we want to make a cycle in time from 13 days that serves a purpose, one purpose. Every 13 days, one purpose.
We'll go, baby won't eat.
Okay, I will explain this to you one to one. Okay, it's because it's very important. So the 13 wave, the 13 tune, it's called the 13 tune. It's called one wave. Like the source send us one wave, and for this wave to finish, it takes 13 days. And every day has certain quality, and every day has something to tell today and to the next day, and to the next day. And like I take from yesterday what happened and experience it and give my qualities to the next day also. And this is the movement. So this 13-day wave, the purpose of day number 1 is called purpose. So when it's a magnetic day, when the tune is magnetic, when we say it's magnetic day, meaning today is telling us what is the purpose of this wave that is coming. Which means magnetic day, the day number 1, is the day that decides for the 13 day what is this purpose. What is this resonant come from there telling us for the coming 13 days? It's telling us, for example, enlighten. You have 13 days to enlighten. Or heal. You have 13 days for healing now. So the magnetic tune tells the purpose. The second, the lunar tune, tells the challenge. What will be your challenge in these 13 days? You will be challenged for 13 days. What is the challenge of these 13 days? You will know it. The third tune, it's called electric. It's the service. What is the service that you will give for these 13 days? What these 13 days will serve the planet? The fourth is the form, how you will embody it, and the fifth and the sixth and the seventh, and I will explain it in details in another session. And then the last one, it's called cosmic, and you exit the wave. This is the day which is tomorrow. We will finish a wave. Tomorrow we will finish a wave. The day after tomorrow we will fly. Exactly. It's called exit. It's a flight. It's called literally take magic flight. This will be tomorrow. Tomorrow we finish the 13 wave day, and the day after tomorrow we start a new one. So if you tune your mind to this 13, you can tune it. This can be applied to anything. This can be applied to business. This can be, if you put a cycle of 13 in any area of your life, you will find evolution. I want you to try. Put it in any area of your life. Make any area of your life is a cycle of 13th. Your business, your work. I want to come to Sinai 13 days. And day number 1, call it the purpose. You can do this. Because you are part of this also. You can do it. Or do it on the aligned with, which is even better. Come to Sinai in the day of magnetic and make a purpose for this trip. And see what will happen. You will find that you are evolving in this cycle. Now, how this fits in with what we said before, how it works together with what we said before. Before I go there, do you have a question about the wave spell? Yes.
You mean that it's fixed? That the first day is the magnetic, the second is lunar. So
Fixed.
The expectation of the 13th cycle, it should go. The process should go this way.
Exactly.
It's fixed.
Exactly.
But it has different shades, like with using the 20 seals.
Yes. Now we will put the
We-
seals inside and see
Yeah.
how they work together.
But everyone in the world is born under those 20 seals.
And in one of these 13.
Oh,
Yani when you are born in 2 cycles.
yes, the wave spell and
The cycle of the 20 and the cycle of the 13. And you are a combination of both.
And of the four.
And of the 4. Of the red, white, blue. So these are 3 main cycles. There are many cycles below. We will not talk about today.
Just explain that later if possible, that how you are born in that 13 and in that
Yes,
wave spell as well.
because okay, let's say this is space, empty. Okay? You give this space as a god. You give this space a color. It's called red. Then you give it an archetype, a quality, which is called Skywalker. Okay? So now this space is no longer empty. It's have red qualities, which we talk about: East, Fire, Initiator, and has red Skywalker quality. Skywalker quality, which is space, explore, wakefulness. These are the qualities. Number 3 is a tune, which is, for example, resonation tune. Day number 7 of the. So this space now is called red resonant Skywalker.
Okay.
From each cycle has
That's one
you
way.
take one element and you define this moment of time as combination of the 3
Of the 3.
combo.
Yeah.
So it can be all of them together.
Okay.
Okay?
Like, what kind of Skywalker are you?
A resonation.
Yeah, and I'm Cosmic.
And you're cosmic.
So, you see, even though we're both red Skywalkers, we're slightly different.
We're slightly different.
I'm Cosmic.
Yeah.
Yes.
You see? Because
Yeah,
she
I
was
just
born
didn't
in number
understand the resonant when I told him yellow resonant warrior, he told me wait for the resonant.
Yes.
So I would say
Exactly,
that,
this is
that
what-
in the dream spell it's yellow warrior,
Yes.
but because of the wave spell we get the
resonant.
the
Yes.
resonant.
So you were born in the 20. You were born in number 16, in day number 16, which is the yellow warrior, and you were born at the same day. You were in this same day. It was day number 7, which is resonant. So you are both together.
Okay. Yeah,
This is a cycle, and this is a cycle, and they are inside each
and
other.
they are inside. each
Inside
other.
the same
Okay.
day.
Yeah.
The sun is sending something, and Hunabku is sending another thing.
Okay.
But we are combo of both.
together?
They are
Yeah.
swimming in the air, both of them together.
Yes.
And which is the last thing and the most important thing I will tell you about is them swimming together, them being together is what created something that the Mayan gave us, Mayan people, which is called the Tzolk'in. This is the Tzolk'in. So it's a combo of this 13 and 20. And it's called the 1320 frequency. It's a frequency that being transmitted. The creation created us in a frequency. Nikola Tesla said everything in the, if you want to understand the
Yeah.
universe, it's an energy and a frequency, صح?
Yeah.
So, what is the frequency of creation? What is the frequency of creation? It's 1320. 13 tune, 20 solar seals. This is our natural frequency. It's not 12 month, 60 hour minutes. This is the old. It's 1320. This is the new. This is the not the new. This is the original actually frequency
Yeah.
that we are trying
It
to understand.
resonates more with the whole universe.
It's connected to the natural cycle of the universe, of the cosmos. You know, this is the
Yes.
natural frequency. Once you put yourself inside, things happen. So how you combine both? You take each one of the 20 here, and each one take the 13 wave. So the red dragon has an opportunity of 13 days. The white wind has an opportunity of 13 days to present itself, to say I am here. And then when you combine them, we say we are in the wave of the red dragon. We are in the wave of the yellow sun. We are in the wave of the yellow warrior. So each one of these seals has a purpose for 13 days. But the calendar keep moving. Can you get it? It's keep moving, the calendar doesn't stop. But when it comes to the magnetic tune, it imprints our 13 days. So, example, we are in the wave now of the yellow sun, which means where is it? This yellow sun, number 20, came 12 days ago, came in the magnetic tune here.
Yeah.
So the yellow sun will not leave the air for 13 days. It will stay in the air for 13 days. But it doesn't mean that today is yellow sun, tomorrow is yellow sun, day after yellow sun. No, it means the number one is what? Is purpose, we said. It's the purpose of the wave, the first tune, the magnetic. So it means the purpose of the 13th day is it's the yellow sun. But the next day was dragon. But this dragon is under the wave of the yellow sun. And the next day is the white wind, and this white wind is under the wave of the yellow sun. So the calendar keep moving. Now it's called the calendar. It's keep moving, serving this wave until number 13, which is tomorrow. We exit the yellow sun, and the day after tomorrow will be what? Who can tell? If we exit,
Red something.
yes, exactly, because after yellow come red. This is the bigger cycle. Yes. But if you don't know, we can just look to the Tzolk'in, and the Tzolk'in put them mixed together. The Tzolk'in put the 1320 frequency. This is the 1320 frequency. So this is yellow sun, and this is the dot. There is dot here. Slink, one dot is the magnetic, and this say that keep moving for 13 days. This will be your master. This will be your purpose. Yellow sun, enlighten. 13 days to enlighten ourselves, to gain knowledge, to enlighten our life. 13 days, and we do it through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13 days. So we move until this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, until, oh my God, the next wave is Red Skywalker. It's our wave. The red wave is Red Skywalker, because the magnetic here, the dot, after this dot, the dot is here. In between is the number 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the numbers in how you call it? These numbers. What is called?
Which number?
The numbers, but it's not 1, 2, 3. That is dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, slash.
Oh yeah, Moshe.
Yes.
In my language. It's
Latin.
signal.
Yes.
Signal, yeah.
Yeah, that's like old numbering
Yeah,
technique.
Yeah.
So
Symbols.
until the next one comes dot, we will be in the Red Skywalker wave. This
Okay.
I want you to understand, because
Okay.
you are not only white wind. You are the white wind of the wave of something. You were born in the wide. Which tone are you?
Solar.
Solar wind. So you are born in the white solar wind. We can find it here. Where's the wind?
The wind.
This is the wind. Find the solar tune.
No, the wind is up. It's the second one.
This is the wind.
Yeah.
The wind is here, and solar is number. I think this one. So you were born. I will check it. Okay, let's take the Red Skywalker. It's easier. I am this 133, and I was born in. I go to the wave, to the dot, in the blue hand. So I am a Red Skywalker. Resonation tune of the blue hand. It was the wave that was few days ago when I was born.
I didn't get how you.
Yes,
you
this is not
look.
easy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
this is-
I don't understand how you read it in the.
Yes,
in
this is
Tzolk'in.
the Tzolk'in. To read the Tzolk'in is very important.
Yeah.
We have to go through it
Yeah.
separately, not
Yeah.
now. But I'm just trying to introduce
Yeah.
how the wave work with the seals
Yeah.
in a combo.
It's intermingled.
Yes, they intermingle, exactly.
It's a bit
We'll
complicated.
love it by the time we get to bat moons and things.
Yeah, there is more layers. We'll talk. It's enough for now, I think. What do you think,
I'm
guys?
joking,
Can
I'm
you-
joking, I'm just saying they'll love
Can you
it.
Tarek send us kind of info, basic info about every tune and every seal? As you say, like this thing is enlightenment. This you have a specific info about every single one. Sorry,
It's in the app.
it's in the app, but it's a lot of explanation.
There's like
Or you
also
mean
the
the ones
three
that's
words.
written under the wave spell? Just
No,
the
it's also in the app. I can show you.
okay
Okay, but
Yeah,
I got you. I can send you some information, yes,
material
about
yeah.
the tune and the wave and each one. This I actually was planning to do in the exercise that we do
So
together.
if you're gonna make another workshop, we already have an idea
Yes.
more of